While evaluating the risk of control in the entities level, auditors should take cognizance in the relevant direct and indirect entity level controls and operating in the entity. Explain what are the controls at a few examples. So going to entity level controls, that is the so these kind of controls, so the examples they are asking in the exam, you need to write it. So this is the question. So we need to say what are the controls, then after we need to explain it. No, operate at the level higher than the business activity. So entity level control, direct ECL, indirect ECL. So direct ECL operate in a higher level than a business activity or transaction level. So business activity or transaction level, such as business or process or sub-business process, account balance level, a significant level of precision to prevent the detect and correct the misstatement in the timely manner. Example includes business performance reviews. What is business performance reviews? What is this product? How it has been processed? What is the output? What is the revenue we receive from this process? This is kind of business process performance review, monitoring effectiveness of control activities by internal audit function. So internal audit has been appointed for what to manage, monitor the effectiveness. Is how this is effective of appointing this internal audit, whether there is a change. Okay, as after appointment the same error has been occurring, na, there is no effective change. After the appointment, there is effective change. We should say. Indirect ELCs do not relate to any specific business process. Transactional account balances hence cannot be prevented to deduct from a statement. So they are not a specific business process. They can morely general. So in this case, they cannot prevent or deduct from a statement. Prevention or deduction is not possible. However, they contribute indirectly to the effective operations of the ELC and under control activity. Examples include company code of conduct and ethics policies. So this is the general policy of a business. You should follow the such a way this company given code of conduct, and human resource policies. So when to take leave, when to attend the meeting, when to come to office. These are the things that by the HR. So this is the policy they have. An employee job related and responsibility. What job, what responsibility, when to complete the task, who to report. Everything will be set there.